Hi, Mons. Do you see a pen?
Yeah, sure. It is a red pen. And what is it?
It is a sharpener. What is it?
It's a brown clock. And what is it?
It is a blue glue. What is it?
It's a black phone.
Okay, Mons. And what do you see now?
Easy. They are two pens. And what are they?
They are 5 sharpeners. Are they 4 clocks?
No, they aren't. They are 3 clocks. What are they?
They are 8 glues. Are they 5 phones?
No, they aren't. They are 6 black phones. Do you want one?
Yes. Thank you.